Magandang araw! Ito na naman si Teacher Matrix. Meron na naman tayong bagong topic ngayon at ito ay tungkol sa GEMDAS. Yung letter G, grouping, E, exponent, M, multiply, D, divide, A, add, and S, subtract. Ulitin ko, GEMDAS or PEMDAS. G, grouping, or yung P, parenthesis. Kaya simulan na natin. Welcome to my channel. Okay, isusulat ko muna ang GEMDAS para maka-follow tayo. Or PEMDAS. Doon lang sila nag-differ sa P and G. Ito grouping, ito parenthesis. Kaya unahin muna natin ito si letter A. Si grouping or parenthesis. So, ito yon. Close and open parenthesis. Ibig sabihin, i-minus natin si 64 and 48. 64 minus 48 and that is 16. Okay, erase muna natin. Okay, 16. Sulat dito and then copy the remaining terms. 4 plus 11 x times, and then 3 squared. Okay. Next move na naman. Change color. Gusto ko ng green. So, after grouping, tapos na tayo. Ito naman si exponent. So, syempre, ito ang exponent. 2. Ibig sabihin, si 3 raised to the power of 2. So, anong ibig sabihin dyan? Syempre, double mo yan. 3 times itself. So, that's 9. 3 times 3, that's 9. Okay, 9. Then, copy na naman ulit. Then, syempre, tapos na si exponent. Next move na naman. Yan ay orange muna tayo. Which is M or multiply. Ibig sabihin, unahin muna natin yung multiplication sentence. Which is 9 times 16. So, multiply natin si 9 times 16 or 16 times 9. Which is, okay, 144. Okay, 144. Then, copy the remaining. Plus 11. Siyempre, tapos na si multiplication. Ito naman tayo sa, change color ako, division. Yan, ito division. Ibig sabihin, yan ang uunahin natin. So, 144 divided by 4. That's 12. Okay, 36. Erase ko muna. Ibig sabihin, 144 divided by 4, that's 36. Then, add 11. O, diba? Addition yung susunod. Hindi tayo makaproceed sa subtraction kasi wala mang indicator dyan na merong subtraction symbol. Kaya hanggang addition na lang tayo. So, ibig sabihin, ipag-add si 36 and 11. So, 36 plus 11, the sum is, we ended up with this sum, 47. Okay. Proceed na tayo sa letter B. Change ko muna yung color para maka-follow tayo. Gusto ko ng maroon. Parang maroon yata ito. Okay, depende yan kung GEMDAS or PEMDAS. Halos magkapareha sila ng interpretation kasi either naka-close and open parenthesis or naka-group. Understood na yan na yung close and open parenthesis, considered yan as naka-group na. So, as usual, start tayo sa P or grouping. Yan. So, kahit addition yan, pero we still have to prioritize this because this belongs to the close and open parenthesis. They're inside the close and open parenthesis, I mean. So, 8 plus 4 is 12. Then copy the remaining terms. Times. Okay. Then, E or exponent. Itong unahin natin. Change ko muna yung color again. Ito ang unahin natin. 2 times 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. So, ibig sabihin, 2 cube or 2 to the third power is 8. Yan, lalagay ko dito is 8. And then copy the remaining terms and symbols. 12, then times. The next move na naman, multiply. So kung multiply, uunahin muna natin ito. Change color. Yan. Kasi multiply man. So 6 times 12 or 12 times 6, that is 72. Diba? Then copy na naman the remaining symbols and term. Okay, next move. D or division. Okay, change ko naman ang color. Pink. So, ibig sabihin, division daw. Ito, 72 divided by 8. So, their quotient is 9. And then, of course, copy the remaining. Change the color for the final answer. Okay, gusto ko ng red. So, when you subtract 20 minus 9, syempre wala na kasing ibang sign dyan, kundi subtraction. So, you have no other choice but you really have to subtract. Kasi wala man tayo, no need to add because you cannot find the addition sign here. It's subtraction. So, dapat proceed na mag-subtract diretso. So, ibig sabihin, get their difference. 20 and 9. 20 minus 9. And their difference is 11. Based on this operation, or operational sentence, we ended up with the difference of these numbers. And for the first problem, we ended up with the sum of the last terms. I hope you understand.